So hi guys, just finished a demo about Keda. So with Keda I can bring my event-driven behavior to my Kubernetes cluster, and event-driven behavior I get from my Azure functions in this case. So an event could be, for example, storing a file into my blob storage on Azure, and then that will trigger an event and my Azure function will pick this up. So Keda makes also optimal use of the auto-scaling capabilities of Kubernetes, and in this case our Kubernetes implementation is our Azure Kubernetes service. So I've documented how you can set up this demo yourself. Just follow the steps in this wiki, and you can also find the source code for this demo in this DevOps project as well. So what will I show you? You can upload your pictures using a front end, which is basically a form which is deployed on an Azure Container instance, or you can use the Azure Storage Explorer. Of course, for the Storage Explorer you need to have credentials, and with the form you don't need to, because a SAS token is created for this, which gives you temporary upload access to the blob storage. So like I said, Keda will pick this up. It will recognize the event of an image being stored on blob, and it will pick it up. Keda will analyze the picture using cognitive services, and it will make a distinction if it is a dog or a cat or a receipt. And what it will do is it will give these results into, or it will persist it into in a stream in Eventhub. And I have a consumer, which is my container front end, which will consume from this Eventhub and show the results directly on the screen. Now let's do the demo. So I just created my environment. You see I have the uploader available on this address, and I have my front end available on this address. I've opened them both already. So you see here a simple web form. I'm going to upload some dogs to start with. So here I have a folder with some picture of dogs. It's done. Then I'm going to my front end, and the pictures should be recognized here. So here you see the dogs appearing. So here you see also that I have scanned 4 pictures, and these fields are still empty because I haven't had any pictures of cats yet. So let's go to my folder of cats. So it's finished uploading. The image is persisted on blob storage. The Keda trigger will pick it up and analyze this and put the results on the Eventhub, and this front end will pick it up from the Eventhub. So here is also a small gimmick. You see that I have more dogs currently than cats, so there is a picture of a dog. If I have more cats, then of course you will see here a cat appearing. So now let's do the trick with receipts. So let's go to the receipts. Here I got some receipts. Open. So with the receipts it's funny because besides just recognizing if it's a dog or a cat, it will actually recognize that it contains text. And here you see how this analysis looks like. So I made a no distinction in currency. I made a very simple piece of code that just sees if I see the word total and the next following amount. I just put it here. I represent it in a graph, and the total is summed here.
Make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notification button to never miss a video. Thanks for watching!